Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the priority queue class we implemented. We'll push a few elements into the priority queue, pop the smallest element, and then print out the heap. First, we create an instance of priority queue with a maximum size of 10. We then push 3 elements into the priority queue, 5, 3, and 8. After pushing the elements, we retrieve the heap array and print it out. The string.join method helps us format the array elements into a single string separated by spaces. When we run this code, the elements are added to the heap while maintaining the min-heap property. Let's see the output. The output should show the heap array after inserting the elements. Initially, it should look like this: 3, 5, 8, and zeros. The numbers 3, 5, and 8 are in the correct order to maintain the min-heap property, and the remaining positions are zeros since we have a maximum size of 10. We then pop the smallest element, 3 in this case. This class, once fully implemented with the required methods, allows for efficient management of a priority queue where the smallest element can be quickly accessed and removed, and new elements can be efficiently added while maintaining the correct order.